My name is Ilayaza. This is the FATIS implementation for secure software engineering. Let's start with the install PHP. We use PHP session to track the number of requests from each IP address. If a user receives 5 requests within a 10-second window, they are blocked with a HTTP 429 to match request response. This helps detect automatic abuse or brute force attack. Additionally, we handle user logout by checking for a logout query parameter, which clearly the session and securely loads the user out. So move to the session.php. Session management. Implement PHP session security mechanism to defend against command track like session hijacking and inactivity based attack. First is secure cookie parameter enforcing secure HTTP only and sync side strict, which prevent client-side access and cross-site request forwarding. Then is introduce configurable session timeout using environment variable defaulting to 50 minutes to automatic logout automatic log user out after inactivity. Each session update refresh the last active timestamp. A customer error handler log session issue including timestamp, user IDs, and IP address to secure log file or forward PHP log. Then gratefully destroying the session and redirect or show an error to prevent session hijacking. Is fingerprint the session using the user IPs and user agent string, checking it on each request. Finally, it ensures user can access protected page without a valid login by checking for a user ID in the session. The next one is media.php. Step by analyzing the user input through range limits and regular expression to remove potentially malicious character. The validated search query is stored in the session for persistent filtering across navigation to prevent SQL injection. The script use MySQL purpose statement with parameter binding. Even when applying optional filter like media type, it supports the flexible filtering by book title, authors, and using prefix match. So locking.php. It begins by standardizing and validating user input for username, passwords using PHP built-in filter. Upon accessible credential machine verifying through the authorized user function, the system indicate a second authentication step. It means that a 6-digit random OTP is generated and stored in the session along with a 5-minute expression timer. The user email is received securely by user ID and the OTP is sent using the PHP Mailer integrated sense OTP function if the mail is successfully sent. So move to the borrow.php. It's RBAC, role-based access control. There's a two key function, its user and its admin are used to check whether the current session user has the required role to perform an action such as borrowing or managing media. In the borrowing page, when the user click the borrow and then validate the role and its match with the role, the borrow.php is running. In manage media.php, when the admin perform create, update, delete, or the role will be validated.